morning, El Paso. The time now is 5:17. Weather and traffic on the 7s. Now, before we get to our local forecasts and talk about the current conditions and what's in store for the rest of the work week, I do want to get you up to speed on Tropical Storm Beta. Starting out with a live look. This is out in Galveston, which does show heavy rainfall and the winds also kicking up all around Galveston. Looks like it's not impacting the roads, though. People still heading out at this hour. But as we take you to Doppler radar, you can see the heavy rain bands are now moving into parts of Texas from Victoria. Houston in the clear right now, but that's all going to change. And it's a bit chaotic. You can see heavy rain from parts of Texas to New Orleans, and this even extends into Alabama. So it's a little all over the place, and flash flood watches will be in place for, of course, much of the day today and heavy rain for the next several days. So here's the movement. Out of the west at 6 miles an hour. Winds are at 50 miles an hour. It's a very slow mover, and you can see the direction. It looks like it's going to shift and move in an easterly direction. As of now, it is westerly. So as it makes that shift east, Beaumont, Lafayette will likely be in this zone of heavy rain potential. But from Victoria to Corpus Christi, from this morning to tonight, we'll likely see inland flooding. So one extreme to the next. We've got tropical conditions along the Gulf and then wildfires. Thick smoke will be impacting Texas from Lubbock to Dallas to Corpus Christi, and we'll still be dealing with hazy skies. It'll be pretty much light throughout the day today. Our smoke tracker does show we start out under clear skies, but it looks like the smoke will slowly start to track in here throughout the afternoon, so it'll be hazy throughout the day. Future Track computer model keeps us dry for really the rest of the week. Just a few passing clouds for Wednesday. Highs today, we're at 90 degrees for Fort Bliss, 90s for Socorro, Clint, and Fabens. Seasonal normals for the most part, and then the rest of the week we will run above average. 89 for Horizon City. Tornillo will also top out in the 90s for this afternoon. So here's your 7-day forecast. Fall begins tomorrow, and it's going to be warm for the rest of the week. A backdoor cold front's going to move in this weekend, and that'll drop us to where we should be around this time of year, but that's not going to take place until Sunday.